Good morning. I think we are on day 6 and the heat just hit the camera and went foggy on us. There's my little love petal sunshine button. She's getting up, excited about the day. We're going to breakfast. We're at the JW Marriott in Guanacaste, Costa Rica, and it is beautiful. We had an amazing evening last night with little Finnley Rider for his birthday and had some sushi with him, and I had a little cake, and the internet works really good here, which is always a bonus, even though I think it's mainly because we're close to the pool. We're gonna go for a little exploration later and give you guys an update of what this hotel and this place really is all about. So see you in a bit.
So, just got out of the hotel room, going to the beach. Going to explore. Last night they just did the fire dance. So, yeah.
So, heading out from the Marriott to around the corner to Avellanas, Playa Avellanas, I think. I'm gonna have to check that. Around this corner, hopefully, is a beautiful beach break and a nice beach that goes for miles. So we'll see.
The beaches around here are mostly undeveloped, giving way to miles of open sand, pastures, and mangroves. So this small river mouth ends up turning into be a lot bigger in a little while. We're glad to have made the stroll, and with the incoming tide, it definitely made an interesting crossing back over. So the Marriott was built in 2008 and started the boom moving south of Tamarindo. This idyllic lazy surf beach has been drawing the disenchanted Tamarindo locals that have been searching for the less inhabited areas for years before the major developments began. This area has quite a few surf breaks and helps spread the surfers out over this half-mile stretch of sand.
You better hurry. It's getting deeper. Huh? Because that's the estuary, that's where the river comes in?
to the pool, which you've seen in our previous episodes, is the largest in Central America. The pool has a cool, flowy style that gives ample room to the guests looking for a front row seat. The kids loved it here as they jumped into the water, spun around, swam all over, and did slow-mo belly flops. The rainy season in Costa Rica isn't too bad. With passing showers lasting only 30 minutes to an hour, it gives you a reason to stay wet and jump in the pool, or head inside for a relaxing break.
Oh yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Okay guys, Costa Rica, day 6, rolling into day 7. It's Sunday, 23rd of July. Just out getting some sunset pics and getting ready to try to do a couple different things. Play with the drone a little bit and take a video with the camera, the good camera, and also do a time lapse with the GoPro Hero 5. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. Hopefully it all pans out really nice and it turns out to be beautiful. It looks like it's going to. Clouds are clearing out and I think it might be a really beautiful sunset. So we'll check you later.
After a quick rainstorm, the fam chilled out while I worked this amazing sunset. The perfect palette of colors made everything surreal. We finished off this lazy day with some dinner and a night swim, watching the stars, listening to the waves, and loving the balcony. Join us next episode when we take you on a fruit journey for breakfast, when I get crazy and buy a surfboard, and we find a cool private beach to try to surf, and finally roll into Tamarindo for some housekeeping and an overpriced sunset dinner. Thanks again for watching. Let us know how we can get better or any questions you might have about our road trip so far in the comments below. And if you're feeling the vibe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see plenty more adventures in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Have a great day.